Hi, this is day one at work. So this is first day at the office, and guys, I'm super excited. So guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Vera as always, and as usual. So today is not a tour of my workplace. No, today I just want to take you through day one at work, and give you guys a major update. So I'm just descending the stairs, and I'm trying to be careful that I don't slip and fall because I'm wearing koi. Can you guys hear the sound? All right, so I am seated now, and I think I'll need to bring you up to speed immediately. But before I go into the major life update, I want to share with you guys. Let's introduce the hair in its fullness and glory. You guys should call the hair. If you didn't watch the vlog, sorry, let me turn that off. Okay. Alright, so if you didn't watch the vlog where I braided this hair, please go check that out. That's an entire experience on its own. And now, so how does the hair look? I'm wearing it down as it should. Yesterday I wore it up. I had to pack it because I tied Kelly to church. Yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday. Alright, so now back to this. So remember I told you guys in that last vlog that I was going to fix my nails, but I didn't show you guys. So yeah, so this is the nails. I did it finally, and I also recall telling you that I want to get colorful this year, right? So I want to do a whole lot of colorful things. That's why I didn't even make black, because the normal you make with black attached. So I just want to be a little, all over the place a little. So that's why I made this color. But I got home and the thing is looking like it's a bit ratchet, like it's so colorful, and I'm not comfortable with it. So what do you think? Do you think it's a bit too much or even too much? If it is, just vote in the comment section. If you guys vote I should repaint this, I could go repaint it after work or at the end of the week. But if you feel it's cool, given that I am rebranding into a colorful person, you tell me and I'll leave you. But looking at it from this camera, it's not so bad. I feel I'm having this doubt or second opinion because it's been a while I got so colorful, because the normal me would have nude color on and I'm good. So what do you think? Ratchet or not ratchet? I should leave it or take it out? Comments is your place for you to tell me all about that. Now to the gist of today's video. Yeah, major life updates, right? Guys, I now work with a TV channel here in Enugu. Alright, so yeah, so send in your congratulatory messages and make sure you have a couple of dollars behind the messages. Thank you. So yeah, I resumed today officially at the office. So yeah, we've been coming in late last year, December, for other things. And if you watch the Afia TV events, I talked about handling a project. So yeah, so officially we started today, and I started today actually. Others resumed last week. I went for a workshop training, So yeah, I'm here now. So I know at this point, some of you that have been following this channel will be wondering what is going on. I thought you have a background in medicine, medical sciences, and all of those things. If you're thinking that, yeah, you're actually correct. My first degree is actually in preventive dentistry, and I also have a diploma in education, and I want to say PhD in this. All right, I don't have my PhD yet, but yeah. So I know I study those things. Typically, ordinarily, following the whole thing, I should be in a hospital or a dental clinic or in a classroom lecturing and all of those things. But no, for me, media is something I've come to love. I've come to grow into it, and I've just realized it's something I like doing. I started YouTube. I started this YouTube and other things I've been doing in the past out of sheer love and passion, and somehow that passion has been rewarding, because if you've been following my channel and if you've been observing my channel and my presentation skills and all of this, but you notice I go the extra mile to do something different, and that's because this is something I love doing, and this is something I wanted to make a career out of. Yeah, even if I didn't get this job, I had like dreams and goals for this channel, what it would evolve to at the end of the day. So I had big dreams, hoping to be the next Oprah, Mo Abudu, and the whole big women or big people in the media, regardless of their agenda. So I had plans and dreams for myself and this channel. Although I haven't figured it all out yet, but I just knew that one day that was going to happen. So I started this channel 2020, right? So when I started, and my style of presentation and content and all of those things, it got me exposed to getting calls and mails from people, especially people in the diaspora, who wanted me to work with them media level. All right, so most of them wanted me to be like their, would I say, correspondent or reporter. Like, let's say Forbes, for instance, wants to cover something in Southeast or Nigeria. They wanted me to be the person on ground to cover it for them, or even to create content for them, that kind of thing. So I got such things, and some worked out and some didn't work out. So when this came along, I was like, why not? It's in my town, and their vision aligned with mine. It's like we shared similar goals and we had similar orientation and all that. So I feel that's the reason I was picked, because I was the opportunity came through recommendation, if I'm going to use that word, and that recommendation came as a result of my channel. So my channel was literally the CV that got me this job. Okay, so it was like, okay, we've seen what you do, what you can do, and the potentials in you and all that, and want you to do something similar for us here, because it's almost what I'm doing for my channel that I'll be doing at this station, but on a bigger level, or a bigger, let's just use the word level. Okay, so I said, why not? It's going to be challenging, that is the truth, because I am striving to be excellent at work. I'm also striving to be excellent at my brand, which is Vera. Okay, and one of my major mantras in life is to put in my best wherever I find myself. So I wouldn't want this opportunity I have here to misuse it, no, and I would like to give them my best. So I would like them that at the end of the day, they would see, like, they wouldn't regret bringing me on board, right? So even if I leave later on, years or days or weeks, I don't know what will happen tomorrow, but at least I should have made an impact. So that is me. That is what I want to do. That is how I've signed up to live my own life, right? So what am I saying in essence, guys? I am working. Today is day one, and right now I will need all of your support, because there are other things I planned on unveiling on this vlog, but I'm not sure I'm ready yet. So I don't want to give you a premature announcement and maybe later on I'm not fulfilling that promise. So I think I would hold on to that for now and see how things go. Okay, so far so good. Yeah, you're looking at, should I tell you my role here? Oh god, it's exciting, that's just the truth, and I'm looking forward to learning. I'm looking forward to getting better at my craft. I'm looking forward to being a better person, because every year we say, oh, I'm looking for growth, I want to grow this year. I think this is the year we actually have to do the growth thing. Do you get? Because I have a lot of tasks. Like, a lot of people depend on me. This TV depends on me for a whole lot of things. So this is that year where I'm going to stretch myself mentally and intellectually, and I'm looking forward to all of that, because I believe myself, I trust in myself, and I trust that I will give in my best, and my best is all I'm promising to give. So far so good. That is that. Other announcement I planned to make here, I'm holding off on that, because there are a couple of other businesses I need to do and get into and all that, but when the time is right, I'll share that with you guys. And that is it. I think this is where we end the vlog. Let me go join others. We have a meeting, and after that there are other things I should do, but if I remember anything else, I could just come in and say, so guys, what do you think? What do you really think? I shared the news earlier with some people, like people I met from this channel. So some of them were like, okay, let me be honest, some of them were like, I shouldn't have taken the job, and their reasons were that it was just rendered on the fact that, oh, I am super talented and I should have focused all of the energy, all of the talent, all of this intelligence, the creativity, the smartness to building the Vera brand, right? So that was their reasons. Then other people said, it's a nice idea, you go for it, girl, you do what you know how to do best, and I'll be here rooting, cheering for you, doing all of those things, and it's just a stepping stone to other greater heights for you and all that. So But regardless, here I am. So just tell me what you really think, okay? Like my friend Adana would keep saying, my YouTube channel, in her words, she say, Vera, your YouTube channel is a gift that keeps giving. And I agree with that. This YouTube has really given me a whole lot more than I bargained for, and I'm grateful. I'm grateful to each and every one of you, because without you there is no me on this platform. Okay, so because of you guys, maybe some other person somewhere would have had the opportunity to find me, and I'm also grateful for myself for believing in myself and doing what I've been doing, maintaining some certain standard, although I keep looking for ways to be better and all of those things. So yeah, thank you myself, and that is that. So like I said, if anything else comes up, I could come around and chip that in, but aside that, it's a wrap. Bye. Do you want to see what I'm wearing? I'm wearing this shirt, and oh god, okay, let me try and go back so that I'll show you the full fit. Okay, so yeah, so this is the shirt, and this is a white pants or white trousers, and I'm wearing this heel. It's blue, yeah, it's blue in color. So there's a pattern, and I had a what's it called, a blue handbag. It's upstairs, I cannot go up and bring it, but there's a blue handbag, so it's basically white blue, kind of Monday. And that is that. So what do you think? You know, sometimes I usually tie this shirt like this, not really like this, but I usually tie it so it comes out looking this way, but I just felt like, let me wear it down this way. So which one do you prefer, like this or like this? Well, this is how I'm wearing it today, because I felt it could be office I don't know, I just felt, let me let me change style today. So yeah, that is that. So what do you think, guys? So like I would always say, guys, remember to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with friends and family. Guys, this is when I need your support. Like, Chivera is being run by me and me alone. It's not like it's something I'm bragging, because I don't want to do the whole strong woman thing this year. But I've not gotten to that point where I am able to hire people, you know, hire someone to edit, hire a producer, hire a director. Chivera is still a young brand, you know, so I'm still figuring a whole lot of things out. So I've not gotten to that point of outsourcing things. So what I need you to do is to keep supporting this girl. Know that this girl has a lot on her plate. So whatever it is I put out, just be kind enough to watch it, to offer your constructive and objective criticism or suggestions, and then sharing, so that we can beat this algorithm thing that is happening on my channel. You guys know it has lasted for a while. I thought that this year YouTube will pity me and improve, but it's still that way. But I'm still grateful for those of you that are still sticking around. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on my next episode. Remember to subscribe, and bye bye.